Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to show you how to build your own website using Joomla. Of course, with no coding needed, it's just for beginners. First of all, what is Joomla? Joomla is a free open source content management system, like WordPress, but with more flexibility, and it's perfect for all types of websites, personal blogs, business sites, and online stores as well. So how to get now your domain? You can just go and open a browser and go, as example, to joomla.org. Here, you'll be able to download and install Joomla in your own servers and self-hosted, or you'll be able to click on Launch Joomla as example to get started. So in here, you'll have to go and enter a website's name. Basically, this is going to be the subdomain that you want. So enter a subdomain that you want or domain that you want, but sometimes you might have the option of this is example already taken. So just go and choose one that suits your needs. Then click on Launch Now. And once you click on Launch Now, you will find this. So here you'll be able to choose the version that you want. These two versions will require you to renew it every month, even if you find like the renew options here, but it's still completely free. And this option example, you'll have to renew it every day. So choose the one that suits your needs. An example, if you're choosing it every month, just choose the latest version, or you can choose even this version if you want to. So once you click on continue, you'll have to fill up all your information, then click on register. So for me, as an example, I'm just going here to use a Google account. For you can use that, or even Facebook or Twitter, if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you does that, you should find this. You can go and get this example, this offer, if you want to get all the features that they offer here. For me, I'm just going to click on Not Now, and this example should take me into the next page. So on the next page example, they tell me to check my email, and they give me everything on my email. So an example, a validation link and everything. And of course, if you didn't get to your email, you'll be able to click on this and simply submit a ticket. Because sometimes, a lot of times, they don't offer or they just don't send the link. They have like some issues with that. You can just go and contact them as an example, and they will respond to you super fast, especially if you talk to them or submit a ticket in the working hours. So now an example for me, I'm just going to show you like here an old like email that I got from them. So an example here, you'll find welcome and stuff like that. How to access their websites, example, they will show you exactly how. So you can simply just click on it, an example, and you'll be able to find two options to access it. So you either go and log into the cloud control panel. You can just go and click on that example. For me, as you can see, I'm already like connected to it or logged in into it. But for you, just go and click on that and log in with the same like credentials. If you log in with Google, just go and choose Google. If you enter your information manually, just go and enter them manually again. Or the option 2, where you'll have to go to the exact like website or subdomain that you choose. It's going to be just like cloud access host administrator instead of .joomla, and you'll have to enter a username and password that they'll give you. So for me, I always choose the first option, and it's totally up to you. So once you do so, you should find yourself here. Here's an example. You'll be able to get always unlimited domains if you want to. So if you go here, an example, to the home, you can always go and click on new product, and you will always, example, as we say, you can have the option of getting your new site. So as an example here, limited free site, you can click on Launch Now, and you can choose WordPress or Joomla. For us, it's going to be Joomla, and you'll have to choose an example, the subdomain that you want, and you don't have to pay a penny. You can always go here and get how many that you want. So as we said, for me, I already like got mine earlier, and for you, it should be the same. Of course, you can always come here and click on renew, because you'll have to renew it each 30 days. So, and here's an example, you'll be able to click on login and log in an example into that if you want to. Also, you'll be able to click on manage to manage it. So let me just go and show you. So on the manage example, you have a lot of options. On the application example, for us, we'll just go and log in into Joomla. So other than that, you'll have an example overview option, the toolkit, and also like the database and to manage backups as well. Here's an example, sorry. So here's an example, you have the domain name where you'll be able to switch domains, but you'll need a plan for that. You can also buy a domain if you want to. For the service example, you have access to the FTP, file explorer, overview, manage logs, kind of everything that you get as an example on any other plan. For the security example, you have some security, and here an example is going to be the products and billing. So for you, you'll have to click on application and click on login to Joomla. So you should be logged in then to this Joomla dashboard right here. So what you'll have to do next is simply start by understanding first of all this dashboard. So example here, you should find example your site and a lot of other stuff that you might want to know. Of course, you can click on take a tour right here on how to create a guided tour, how to add steps, example, to the guided tour, or you can simply just go and click on welcome to Joomla and go basically through the whole guide that will basically take you to understand a little bit about the dashboard. For me, I'm not going through that. I don't care. So for you, once you access your Joomla dashboard, you will need to go and choose and install a template. In order to do so, we can go on this left panel, click on system, and this will take us here. So we'll have to go to this install option, and we'll have to go and click on extensions. Here is an example. If you have your custom templates, you will be able to click on and upload basically your own zip file of your template. If you have one, that will be great. If you don't, you'll be able also to install it from folder, as example. And of course, you can install from URL or install it also from the web. So if you click on the web as example, you can choose the category that the website that you want to create. Maybe as example, I want to create something for e-commerce. I can just go here to e-commerce. They'll give you an example, a lot of options here to download like templates from. Let's say example this one. So let's just go and click on that. So you can give it a review if you want to. So yeah, this is an example, a template that they give me. I'm just going to click on get and main download example option. Here it seems like it's paid, so we don't want paid ones. We can just go back to this example and look for another one because they offer some free ones and some of them might not be free, like the one that we saw earlier. Let's just see this one's example, if it's free or not. Of course, if it's not free, it's no problem. So example, this one is free, but it's for some reason not available. You can get, as an example, the pro plan. It seems $0, but it's probably just a free trial. So for me, I'm not going to get that as well. Of course, as I said for you, if you already have your templates, that's already great. You can just go and come here, as example, click on upload, and you'll be able to upload your stuff. Let's just say, example, you uploaded your. You can just simply go back to system, so we don't waste, like, as example, a lot of time. And once you go here to system, as example, you'll be able to click on this site's template styles. So here, normally, every template that you downloaded should find here, or you should find this here. Normally, this comes per default, and you'll be able, as example, to click on your specific template. Like example, this one, that comes per default. And you can see here, as an example, the site, how that look like at the start. So click on the top right corner, and they will take you to your site. So as an example, this is the site at the moment. This is the website at the moment. It has nothing, no pages, no menu, like a stupid like login thing here. You can click an example in home, but this is, as an example, the home that has the login and everything. Of course, you can also have here some advanced options where you'll be able to upload your logo. Let me just go here and see an example. Let me just go and upload something from my computer, and let me just go and upload something like, I don't know. Let's just see this picture, why not? So just go and select it, and as you can see, this is the logo that I choose at the moment. And of course, I can just go here and click on save. And now if I go to details, let's just see, as you can see, the logo is uploaded to my site. Of course, for me, an example, it's taken like too much space, so I'm just going to even remove that. It's like a big picture. So let me just go and remove that. So now, as example, let me just go back to this, and let me just go and close this. And here's an example. If we go back to content, here's an example, we'll be able to add content. So we can go to articles, as an example, and we'll be able to add some new articles. So add your first article for me. And here's an example, you'll be able to add the content, images and links, options, schema, publishing, whatever you want to add. So there are a lot of things that you can add. Let me just go here, an example. I'm just going to add, hello, I am just testing here. And yeah, you can also like toggle the editor, an example, turn it off. It's totally up to you. And if you want to publish it, you can simply just go at the top and again, click on save. So yeah, it's like missing the required data. For the title, I'm just going to add the test here. And I'm going to click on save and close to close this as well. So this example, me adding like a first article of the website. Of course, you can always go and click in here. And so here an example, as we said, you will be able to click on it and see an example, the article, but of course you'll have to log in into your account first. So other than that, other than the article, you'll be able also to go and add examples of media. So in the content example, you can also add some media. And of course, a lot of stuff that you can do, you can just do it from the dashboard. Because as you can see here, you have quick access to a lot of things, to the users, to the articles, the article category, plugins example, if you want to add any plugins, models, media example. You have here some simple data you can install example to your site and a lot of other stuff. And of course, any actions that you did, you should find this here in example. So this dashboard is very, very useful. And of course, if you want to add a lot of features, you'll be able to install some extensions like context forms, galleries, SEO tools, backups. So I cannot go through everything here in this site. I just showed you like an example how to create your website, and it's totally basically your job here to customize it however you want. Now you have everything at your hand. You can just go and customize it however you want. And one only thing you don't need to forget to renew, or you should not forget to renew, of course, your website every 30 days. Even if it's completely free, you'll always have to come here and click on renew, so you'll have to renew it. So once you're done this example, once you finish your customization and adjusting everything like the site settings, the media, the extensions and everything, you'll be able now to start sharing your site. You can just go, example, to the exact URL and you'll be able to share it around with other people. Of course, you can always just go here also to the users and manage to update, for example, your admin passwords and manage users in here, give permissions and a lot of other stuff. I'm just going to remove this. And yeah, that's basically it. You can now launch your website. So you can go to the URL, example, copy it, and you can paste it wherever you want. Example, in here, I'll just go and even like open another browser to see if it's working. Example, another browser, as you can see, it's working as well. So for me, I added nothing here, but for you, make sure that you have things like corrected. So I hope this helped. If this helped, as example, don't forget to subscribe and comments down below if you have any question. So thank you for watching and goodbye.